Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Tottenham Hotspur home shirt for the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from kitgg6.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. The shirt is the fans version. As you can see, the Knight tick has been embroidered on. Likewise, the Tottenham crest has been embroidered on. Shirt itself comes in a standard Knight bag. On the flip side, it's just the usual health warnings. So I said the seller for this one is kitgg6.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I'll also see if I can find DHgate link and put that in the description as well, because I know some people do prefer purchasing from DHgate still. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. First reaction to this shirt is I'm a little bit disappointed. The Tottenham shirts do tend to be quite similar. And this, it looks very plain. Hopefully once we've got it out of the bag though, there'll be some exciting colours on it. But right now it does look very, very plain. So that being said, let's get the shirt out of the bag and let's have a proper look at the Tottenham Hotspur 24-25 shirt from kitgg6.com. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt, and I said at the start that the Tottenham shirts are always quite plain, and this one is no different really. I guess they've tried to spice it up a little bit with this around the sleeves, but apart from that, it is very much same old same for Tottenham. But that being said, we do have the Premier League patch and the No Room for Racism. Both have been heat pressed on, and they're like a rubbery sort of vinyl. Knight tick, I mentioned earlier, it's been embroidered in, and that is correct. Just a slight crease down there, but that's just where the shirt's been in the bag. Tottenham emblem embroidered on, and AIA is the shirt sponsor. And this is much more of what you're used to of a sponsor. It's like the plasticky sort of feel, whereas that said is much more sort of rubbery feel. Cinch on this side is the same as the sponsor, is the plastic. Under the arms, looks relatively good. On that side looks good as well. At the bottom we do have the engineered for Nike, which we always have, and a product code of some description. There's just the blue bandings that go up either side. But yeah, all looking good so far. We'll flip it around and we'll have a look at the back. But yeah, pretty much the same for Tottenham as most seasons. Okay, we're onto the back of the shirt, and straight away, look, you can see quite through. And to be fair, the white shirts are always quite see-through. So actually, when I'm further out, it's more noticeable. Collar line is just a standard. It's got that little join. I didn't really notice that actually. Down the side, arms all looking good. It's looking fine as well. Stitching on the bottom, oh, slightly wonky there, look. We've got a larger hemline, a little bit of a mess up there, but nothing too bad in all honesty. When it's on the back, no one's really going to notice it, and as it is just the bottom, I wouldn't be too hung up on that at all. There's some form of ventilation there as well, but no name or number. Mostly because we don't know who is going to have what numbers yet, and I do tend to like having the shirts left plain. This one I'll probably give away anyway. Okay, we're on the inside now, and the collar line looks fine. Just that little join there, which I don't really understand. Sleeve, we have cinch on this side. There's a crease there from the material, but that's gone on really well. No bobbling or anything. Tottenham badge, it's just got that usual bit of card which you can pull off. The other option is just to soak it in warm water, then it should just come off nice and easily. Knight crest, that's gone on pretty well actually. Sponsor, there's a crease there, but I think that's just from the bag. I don't think that's bobbling on the sponsor. No, I think that's fine actually. There's another one there as well. This side we had the Premier League patch and the no room for racism. Again, I think that's gone on absolutely perfectly. Stitching all looks pretty good. And we've got our engineered there. Again, looks fine. So yeah, I think we're looking good. I think I can get that off. So yeah, warm water, and that will then peel off nice and simply. Okay, we're on the final part of the inside of the shirt, and we do have the Nike dry fit up there, size XL. This is the fan version of the shirt, so XL is going to be like the size. And actually, if I push in now, look, you can see how see-through the material is. You can see the red of the sponsor relatively well, actually. It is white, so you do expect it to be see-through anyway. We have our washing instructions down here. Recommendation is to have a hand wash setting on your washing machine, and then when you dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it in a tumble dryer. When you wash it, make sure you flip it inside out as well first, especially where you've got like heat pressed vinyl on there, then they will not peel off. But no, that's looking quite tidy actually. Stitching all looks okay under the arms. Nothing to really be overly concerned about. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a pretty good shirt actually. Very plain though. But yeah, it's Tottenham. And there we have our Tottenham home shirt for the 24-25 season from kitgg6.com. Just checking in on that sponsor there. I'm sure that is just a crease from the shirt when being in the bag, but once it's been washed, we'll know whether that does come out or not. It is quite a thick crease, but I'm sure it is just from the bag, especially because there's one on that side as well. But I said, this is from kitgg6.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. If you have enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also, if there's any shirts you'd like me to look at in the future, please do let me know. Got a few of the 24-25s. We've still got some retro ones to come up as well. I've got an England retro, actually, I think is my next Kit GG one that I'm going to be doing. So yeah, got plenty more videos coming along. So I hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.